big story that we are tracking all day today at Mirror Now is where from student politics to being the Chief Minister of Delhi, from DUSU President, from ABVP to being General Secretary of the BJP, and after a 3-decade stint, Rekha Gupta has been sworn in as the new Delhi Chief Minister, only 4th woman Chief Minister that the Union Territory has so far gotten. And it was a busy first day for the Chief Minister, Rekha Gupta, as she took charge at the Secretariat, where all the newly sworn-in Council of Ministers were also in attendance. And she is now set to visit the Vasudev Ghat at the Yamuna Bazar anytime now. But around 7 p.m, she will chair the first cabinet meeting at the Secretariat. Now, Yamuna has consistently been the flashpoint through the Delhi election campaigns, and it has become a symbol of the Aam Aadmi Party government's failure. Remember, Arvind Kejriwal's government had promised to clean the river, but through their tenure, Yamuna cleaning became a casualty in the tug-of-war between the centre and the state. The Aam Aadmi Party often alleged that the LG, acting at the behest of the centre, stalled Yamuna cleaning. However, soon after the Aam Aadmi Party lost Delhi elections, the water cleaning machines were launched at the Yamuna, with the LG personally taking stock of the work. And now, with the resurgence of the BJP in the capital after 27 years, the first stop for the newly sworn-in Chief Minister, Rekha Gupta, is the Vasudev Ghat at the Yamuna Bazar, followed by an Aarti at the Yamuna banks.
हमारे शपथ ग्रहण कार्यक्रम के बाद आज हमने इस चार्ज को भी लिया है। आज हम सचिवालय में आके मुख्यमंत्री कार्यालय में मैंने चार्ज भी संभाल लिया है और शाम को तुरंत आज की डेट में कैबिनेट की मीटिंग भी रख ली गई है। जो मिशन विकसित दिल्ली का है, उसको पूरा करने के लिए लगातार काम किया जाएगा। एक भी दिन उसमें से व्यर्थ नहीं होगा और एक एक कमिटमेंट जो हमारी दिल्ली से है उसे पूरा करेंगे। आप सबका स्वागत है। इससे पहले कभी आप इस कमरे में नहीं आए होंगे। आज इस सीएम कार्यालय के द्वार आप लोगों के लिए खुले हैं।
My colleague Kritika is joining me right now to get us all the updates from Ground Zero. Well, Kritika, take us through all the preparations that are underway where the Delhi Chief Minister is expected to arrive shortly at the Yamuna banks.
Yes, in fact, we are currently at the Vasudev Ghat, and our video journalist, Jasmeet Ji, will be showing you visuals from here. You can look at how different chowkis have been set up with the Aarti Thalis. There is the portrait of goddess Yamuna that has also been decked up here. Remember, at Vasudev Ghat is where last year Delhi LG had started the initiative of organizing twice a week Aartis, Yamuna Aarti. So we're seeing that with the BJP now back, now in power in the national capital, this is something that has begun with, which it seems like is going to be one of their prime focus. Also requesting our camera person to show you how 4 separate, in fact, diya stands have been prepared, and these will be used by the pujaris who are coming in here and by the Chief Minister and her Council of Ministers. This is the same spot, in fact, where earlier as well the LG had participated in the Yamuna Aarti. This was in fact being held as one of the first steps towards restoration. On your screens, you will also be able to see the state of the Yamuna River bank. Currently, there are 3 machines from what we can spot that are in operation, that have in fact been in operation for the last few hours as well. These are the trash skirmish machines, the vegetation dredger, and the entire idea is that in a step-by-step, time-bound program, first the de-stilting of the Yamuna River bed will be done. The waste will be removed from the river water, and then the work on developing the riverfront will also start. start. What has been in fact challenged or rather promised during elections was how this entire riverbank will be converted into something similar to Sabarmati riverfront. Now, to be very fair, in fact, for the duration of time we have been here, the Yamuna River continues to stink. It is difficult to stand here and report. We're thankful to the wind that the air has some natural ventilation as well. So this just shows how much more work, in fact, is left and how long the Yamuna River has also been neglected. If our camera person can just show you the visuals closer to the pillars, you'll be able to see how at the corner, at the very corner, right behind the Yamuna bridge, you'll be able to see just a layer of solid waste that has accumulated, and the work for removing it, for the beautification, will now begin. We're hoping to hear that because today is the day wherein the Council of Ministers have taken the oath, have sworn in, we are expecting an announcement. We're expecting a laid out, time-bound plan for Yamuna rejuvenation, because as you were also saying, this was a big issue during elections, especially during Chhath, when we even saw, in fact, Delhi BJP State President Mr. Virendra Sachdeva himself take a dip into the Yamuna River at the ITO Ghat, after which he was immediately, in the next day itself, he was admitted into the RML hospital suffering from allergies. So this is the state of the river as well every time. We have also reported on, we've talked about not just the visible pollution in terms of froth, but the invisible pollution, because remember there are some 28 to 30 major drains that continue to deposit or rather dump untreated wastewater into the river, and that is why the state of the river is such that forget jogging, forget taking a walk. Even as reporters, we do not want to come in here for far too long, because it just stinks. Even when you're not near the water, that is the level of how polluted, majorly polluted, in fact, Yamuna is. But today, as one of the first acts of the Chief Minister as well as the Council of Ministers, they will be performing an aarti here. The preparations have all been made. The pujaris are here as well. A lot of people have in fact also started coming in smaller numbers because there are security concerns, keeping that in mind. But we will be seeing an evening of aarti as soon as the sun starts setting in. That is what we are expecting.
Right.
Along with that, we'll try and get a word from the people who have assembled here as well. But remember earlier as well, when we were speaking to in fact Manjinder Singh Sirsa, he had also talked about Sir आप आज यहाँ यमुना घाट आए हैं, चीफ मिनिस्टर भी आ रही हैं, क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है आपको, क्या लग रहा है, क्या डेवलपमेंट होगा इस बैंक पर?
मोदी जी का जो बड़ा विजन है, जिस तरह से नमामि गंगे प्रोजेक्ट चला है, उसी तरह से अब यमुना को पूरी तरह से साफ किया जाएगा और यमुना के लिए प्रोजेक्ट तैयार है। सीएम हमारी रेखा गुप्ता जी बनी है और उनके नेतृत्व में अच्छा।
आपकी क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है, कितने साल में आप यहाँ अपने परिवार के साथ खाने पीने, पिकनिक, जॉगिंग ये सब करने लगे? आपको क्या लगता है ये कब तक इनको कमिट करना चाहिए?
नहीं, मुझे लगता है लगभग 1-2 साल के अंदर।
1-2 साल के अंदर क्या आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशन है?
बिल्कुल 1-2 साल के अंदर यहाँ पर नौकर चलने।
केजरीवाल जी ने 5 से ऊपर साल मांगे थे, पर आज भी हम ये स्थिति देख रहे हैं यमुना की। आपको लग रहा है 1-2 साल में कर पाएगी बीजेपी?
बिल्कुल, भाजपा ये कर सकती है क्योंकि उसके संकल्प में दम है। मोदी जी जो करते हैं, जो कहते हैं वो करते हैं।
So this is in fact what the word that is coming in from the people who've come in here to welcome the Chief Minister as well, that they believe in the vision of the double engine government, which was much touted in fact by the top BJP leadership as well. Over to you, sir.
Right. Absolutely. Well, thank you, Kritika, for getting us that quick chat with the people present over there at the Yamuna Ghats as well. Clearly, their expectations are skyrocketing right now. They expect the BJP government in Delhi to turn things around, especially when it comes to the Yamuna cleaning. And to discuss this further, I'm joined by our guest this evening, Dr. Uday Nirgudkar, who is a senior journalist right now. Mr. Nirgudkar, thank you so much for taking our time and joining us over here at Mirror Now. We were just playing out those live visuals from the Yamuna Ghat. My colleague was also speaking to a few people present over there. Lots of expectations and lots of political messaging by the BJP. The first stop for the newly sworn-in Chief Minister Rekha Gupta is the Yamuna Ghat, and we are seeing these water cleaning machines present at the Yamuna Ghats while we wait for the Chief Minister to arrive. Do you feel that the BJP's symbolism when it comes to this entire aarti by the Yamuna is essentially to drive home a message to the Kejriwal government?
I think this is the right message she is giving, and the first and the best thing she is doing is to go to Yamuna and give a message that Yamuna will be cleaned, and there will be like Sabarmati riverfront. You have Ganga Aarti, there will be a Yamuna Aarti, and that kind of date will be staged. This is highly needed, in my opinion, because that part of Yamuna which you are currently showing is highly polluted. As your reporter is rightly mentioning over there, I had been there a couple of times. It stinks, and a lot of effluent is being added to it, which is not good for the health and as well as the environment that need to be cleaned. And that's one of the poll promises which BJP has given, and that's a top priority for the chief minister. And I'm sure she is doing the right step. Now, only symbolism and photo op will not do. She will have to declare shortly the month-wise progress and the milestones to be achieved to clean Yamuna, so that there will be a visible change at the end of the day. And she will have to eventually give a date when this riverfront project will be complete and Yamuna will be completely cleaned. And that's what it is needed. It is the governance that's what matters most. And last 11 years has been the issue of governance for Delhi, be it traffic, be it pollution, be it infrastructure deficiency, and be the delicate financial situation. I mean, if you ask me a question on that, I can talk on detail about it, how delicate and precarious the situation of Delhi finances, from revenue surplus to a revenue, I would say, deficit situation they are entering at this point of time. So she has taken this charge at a very, very crucial juncture for Delhi. And 49% of Delhi still lives in Juggi Jhopdi, as we call it, as shanties, as we call it, as jhopadpattis. So this is where she will have to, play a major role in cluster development. So her plate is full, in my opinion. But I must compliment, jahan se shuruaat ki, I think she made a right beginning by opening up the riverfront for Yamuna.
Absolutely. Well, very well thought out optics by the BJP on the first day of Rekha Gupta being the chief minister. Mr. Nirgudkar, I will come back to you. We are slipping into a short break right now. Lots more lined up on the newly sworn chief minister of Delhi, Rekha Gupta, who is set to go to Yamuna Ghat. We're getting you all the updates. Stay tuned.